everyone, it's Clay, Director of Video here at STEEZY. And today we're gonna give you 5 dance tips for beginners to help you be more advanced. Tip number 1, guide with your face. Every great performer knows that your face or even just your eyes is a great way to guide your audience's attention. For instance, if I wanted to look right here, you'll notice that you wanted to follow where my eyes were going. Haha, got you. You can use this tool in so many powerful ways to level up your dance performance skills. One way is to look towards the direction of the move. This will guide the audience to clearly see what your body is doing. This is helpful for helping viewers catch intricate movements. Second is to look directly at the audience or camera. This makes you look confident. You're breaking the 4th wall and connecting directly to your viewers. Third is to look at a different direction from the move in order to misdirect the viewer. This will help you look more in control, because you don't even have to look at the move to do it right. It also gives you a sense of finesse and subtlety. The fun thing about this is you can use it for your own choreographies, freestyles, or even while performing other people's routines. It's a great way to turn an already existing set of movements into a powerful and unique performance. Tip number 2, change your outfit if you feel stuck. Everybody runs into blocks on their dance journey, whether you can't come up with the next move while choreographing or you can't retain or execute the movements that you just learned in a routine on STEEZY Studio. Haha. We've heard so many great remedies to dance blocks, such as watching a dance video that inspires you, taking an intentional break, or one of my favorites is changing your physical environment. If you're choreographing inside of a studio, step outside and try building some momentum while you're in a slightly different environment to put yourself in a new headspace. But one of the simplest ways to switch up your headspace and encourage alternative physical choices is to change your outfit. Different clothes make us look and feel different. That's why we made a whole video called How to Dress for Dance, where we just give you suggestions for different types of outfits that we'd wear for different types of dance. So if you're feeling stuck, change up your outfit. Look fresh and feel fresh, my friends. Tip number 3, create move variations. Something that always feels discouraging to beginner dancers is that they feel like they run out of moves. But don't worry, there is a remedy. STEEZY got you. You know that phrase, quality over quantity? Well, you should apply that to your dancing too. By changing the quality of one move, you can make variations of it that make it feel like a completely different move. Let's use this random move as an example. Some quality adjustments you can make are 1, speed, 2, texture, 3, friction, 4, extra embellishments, like fingers and stuff, and 5, timing. You can even do what I do, which is turn like one move into 16 moves by strobing. Tip number 4, take the STEEZY 10-day Intro to Dance program. Okay, we'll keep this short and simple because you already know, if you want to go from beginner dancer to intermediate to advanced, you gotta practice your basics and foundations. That's exactly what STEEZY's Intro to Dance program does. You'll learn how to keep up with all types of music, what to do with your hands and arms while dancing, how to roll your body and use your hips, learn a dance routine, and you just take control of your body so it does what you want it to do. Click the link in the description so that you can take the first 4 out of the 10 days completely for free. That's right, free! It's free! Tip number 5, focus on one part of the lyrics or beat. Beginner dancers have the tendency of wanting to hit every single beat in a song because a lot of their favorite dancers do it, and it's tight. But a mature dancer is able to take just one thing and make it stand out. Chris Martin is one of my favorite examples of this. In a recent episode of 3 Choreographers, 1 Song, he elongates the concept of rolling and spinning like this.
Like a hurricane, I roll up a paper plate. Like a hurricane, I roll up a paper plate. And I'm sipping on Henny, no bomb.
It really just lets you sit in the moment and enjoy it. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. Again, quality over quantity. If the lyrics of the song say, go subscribe to STEEZY and then like it, yeah, it's easy, then I can continue on a concept of like a like button. And I could be like, go subscribe to STEEZY and then like it, yeah, it's easy. Subtle plug.
Like this video.
And that's all the tips we have for you today. But before you leave a comment down below of your favorite TV show you watched as a kid. Just so we know who's watching till the end, you know? And then we'll reply. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!
Feel stiff, awkward, and offbeat on the dance floor? That's exactly why we made Intro to Dance on STEEZY Studio. In this 10-day program, I'm gonna let you in on all the secrets that traditional dance studios never teach. Basic fundamentals like moving on beat, how to do smooth body rolls and hip movements, Dozens of moves that work with any song. Even a fun, short dance routine that I promise you'll be able to do once you learn the foundations.